Yes, as scheduled and as known to everybody, government has already come out with the required SOPs in three parts mostly. One is for the opening this way or that way of the Ratna Bhandar, both Bhitar and Bahar, and then taking custody of the ornaments and the jewellery stacked therein in both the Bhandaras and section wise to different rooms already selected inside the Garbhagriha. And today we convened the meeting. In the meeting we resolved to proceed to go ahead with the opening and the taking care of the ornament aspect, since there will be certain requirements to be provided by or managed by the state government in the matter of Manti Ganti. Manti Ganti will take some time. After the government gives its nod in its full preparation to provide man machineries, we will be going ahead with that. As per the discussion in the committee and the Paramarsha of the Purohits, the Mukti Mandap, we are planning to open it. The right time for opening as per their advice appears to be 1:28. Now we will be proceeding to temple to take stock of the arrangements already, and in the process we will definitely stick to our timing of 1:28 to open the lock.
So what is the SOP?
SOP, listen, SOP is prepared by government. It's a confidential document. It is up to the government to talk about the SOP, but SOP contains variety of things. So who will be the persons going, what are the procedures to be followed in the even opening, even taking out the materials from inside the Bhitar Bahar Bhandar to the outside, the places earmarked. Therefore, it's not a matter of discussion before the media. If government likes, government may open it to the public. And yes.
As it is very confidential and sensitive issue, so there would be a video recording officially?
Yes, official video recording. 2 sets of video recordings will be there, and there will be 2 certifications.
So after 78 years, it's going to be reopened. How it would be challengeable?
No, it is challenging one, definitely. We don't know what is the position inside. It is not open after 85, the last opening, and therefore it is definitely challenging. We are taking all precautions. Government has also given us so many advisories in the by way of SOP. We will be definitely taking care, and we hope it is work involving the Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath will definitely bless us in working out, and he will also drive us in completing the entire project.
So lock that will be broken or that will
The both the options are open. SOP already prescribed. If the keys are working, we have been informed that the key in the treasury of the district has been taken into custody. But we hope key will work. If the key works, it is all right. If the key doesn't work, it is also all right. We will open it.
Made elaborate security arrangement for today. Every aspect of security is taken care of. Checking and frisking of the persons who are supposed to enter inside the temple, and quick reaction team has been deployed at important places to avert any untoward incidents. In addition to that, we have also placed a contingency arrangement, and all the contingency plans are in place. So we made elaborate police arrangement for today, and I hope that with everyone's cooperation the work will be completed by the blessings of the Lord. The daily rituals that are supposed to be held inside the temple will be held. Identified servitors, those who have their rituals today, they will be allowed inside the temple. Only identified servitors, those who have their duty today, they will be allowed inside the temple, and no other persons will be allowed inside the temple.